Hi guys, good day all. My name is Shaflina Rosa and today I want to talk about the conversations analysis part 2. So guys, um the previous study we learned about conversation analysis, right? So this part are going to talk about conversation analysis, but it is a part 2. So basically conversation analysis is how the study how people talk, but it is not just about how they say it, but not just about what people say it, but how they say it, how they taking turns, how they respond, how they're using a word to respond, and how people manage and organize conversations. And we have transcriptions conventions is about a study to write a talk like exactly it happens. For example, um, we write a talk conversation like exactly like what is happens. We use a special symbols like we use short pause, half second pause, and also we use many symbols to make people feel or hear exactly like what it happens. And it is, we call it like um, transcriptions conventions. And the next point we have turn taking. Like turn taking is about when we talk to our friends or to other people, like when we talk first and then they replay and then we replay again, like that. Like we can control our turns by not pause our word, I mean not just like we can hold our turn not by using pause symbols, short pause, like that. And then when we want someone replay, someone take their turn, we can use like well uh like that, and then the other one can replay exactly after we talk. And then we have um adjacency pairs. Yeah, it is about um, the two parts, if I'm not mistaken, the two parts that belong together, like greeting and greeting. Like when we want to greet our friends or our neighbor, like hi, and then they reply hi too. And then when we give someone a question and then they answer, like question answer, greeting and greeting, like that. So the two part that always belong together, and this is we call it as adjacency pairs. um yeah, and then we have how we respond someone's, like preference turns, if I'm not mistaken, like preference preference analysis or preference turns or preference conversations, like that. And basically it is about how we respond the conversations, like, and there are two options that we can use. The first one is preferred preferred and the second one is this preferred. Like in preferred we can say, like for example, there's someone offer you, do you want some cakes, do you want some coffee, and then you said yes I do, like this, like that. And then in preferred, this preferred, when someone asks you, do you want to go out, and then you reply I think I wanna stay like that. So it is about how we refuse the offering by others like that. And then we have overlap, like when you excited, when you want to talk to your friends and you want to tell a story about your daily activity or about a tea to your friends, like we excited, right? And then sometimes we talk at the same time, and we call it as overlap. Sometimes it happens between us or between an in debate, or when we met at someone and then they replay at the same time. And basically it's about when someone talk at the same time, and this is situation we call it as overlap. And then the last one we have repair. Basically is about how we fix something that incorrect when we talk in conversation with others, with people. Like we have two points. The point ones, the first point is about we correct our words by ourselves, like, or maybe I want to say something that's incorrect, like I wanna I like a dog. Oh, I mean I like a cat, like that. Like I fix the sentence that I'm using before by myself. And then we have when we talk and this is incorrect and someone else correct us. Like for example, oh, I met Nicholas, and then your friends or others like, oh, do you mean Matthew, like that. So basically it's sometimes happens in our daily life, right? So in conversation analysis we learn about how people talk in daily life and how they manage and organize the conversation between them. And this study we learn about that, we pay attention about the small details in the conversation that sometimes we ignore that. Yeah. So we have transcriptions analysis, adjacency pairs, preference, and repair, overlap, like this. So this study we learned about this. Even a small part in our sentence or in our dialogue, it has a meaning. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.